Hello guys, this is Uma Mudra from PhysiFambam. So let's start the video. As you see, like my thumbnail is all about the every country should learn from the Sweden. So what are they? So first point, guys, here in the Sweden, if the people having their own pets, so what they do when their pets do poop potty in the garden or on the road, they just pick up dog's poop in the plastic and throw it in the garbage. So guys, in my opinion, like I really want everywhere out there in the world should learn from the Sweden. If your country having this rule to clean your pet's potty from the road or from the garden, it's good, it's best. But if you don't, please follow this rule. Yes, you all can do this. In my country, like the people having their own pets, they take their pets in the garden and let them free to do potty anywhere in the garden or in the road. No, please don't do this. At least you can make clean your own dog potties from the garden, right? So you all can do it. Please do it. Yes. So second, that I think, like in the Sweden, they just clean the path every time. Yeah, every day, keeping their roads, their streets clean and clear. The third point, here they believe in the recycling of all the plastic bottles, like in the coop. Yes, I discovered it and I just enjoyed it also. Like we can recycle the cans, the bottle, plastic bottles and get money for it. Yes. And the other supermarkets also having this thing. So this is also new for me. Every country should learn. Yes. So if you're talking about the fourth point, yes, the Swedish law ensures that the children are well safe and protected. Here in the Sweden, like parents are able to leave their kids free to play. So children go to the garden on their own and play there from the age of, I saw, like from the age of 5 or to 6 years, like they started. And they also go to the school on their own. Yes. And they are going to the school by the bus, by cycling on their own with no parents. Yeah. So see, the kids, parents in the Sweden, they know like they are very much safe and protected in the country. So that's why they're able to make their kids free to play, to go school alone. So every country should ensure every citizen like they feel safe and protected. So fifth thing, that not sending your kids in the school is a punishable offense. Yes, so that's why here all the schools, municipal schools, having the same standards and also affordable for every parent. So sixth point, in the Sweden, before the spring they clean all the dry bushes. Yes, and also cut away the old, sick, wrong growing branches so that the new branches can come, the new leaves can come during the spring. Yes, and they also like started planting the flowers, fruit trees, we can say the vegetable gardens before the spring so that they can welcome the spring. So all countries should learn from the Sweden. Everywhere in the Sweden, this is the rule, like planting flowers, welcoming spring, everywhere. It is a 7 point. Like in emergency, if unfortunately someone get ill and he supposed to be go in the hospital, they will not ask any single penny from you during the treatment. There's no like urgency of paying the bills on the spot. 8 point, here the Swedish government gives the public transport card, we can say the pencils, books for free to every children, so that citizen of the country get educated here, and the main concentrated on the individual learning and creativity. Yes, this is very important for every citizen. Every country should learn, every country should take care of every citizen. Yes. Ninth point, the Swedish government giving the child allowance around 625 SEK to each parent. Yes, like as a parent, you get this benefit automatically from like and including the first month after the birth until the child is 16 years old. So here the parents, like to be a parents, is a very good news here. Like no one can think the child as a burden. 10th point, the Swedish people like follow their line culture. Yes, they follow the queue culture everywhere, even in taking admission in the school as well. They having the patience. So every country should learn patience in their life, right? So this is all about the 10 things every country should learn from the Sweden. So we will meet soon in other video. Please do subscribe my channel. Yes, you can do it. Yeah.